In this video, I'll be sharing with you a tutorial on how to cut this stylish asymmetric neckline bustier with a yoke. So if this is something you like, kindly hit on the subscribe button. And this dress is from Katie Anthony on Instagram. So to start, here is my pattern paper and I've gone ahead to mark out my measurement. I marked my shoulder to bust, under bust, waist, and for this blouse length, I added additional 5 inches after my waistline. So you can go ahead to measure the blouse length of your choice, or you can go ahead to add additional 5 inches after your waistline. Go ahead to mark my shoulder divided by 2 and I'll come down by 1 inch. From here, I'll mark a basic neckline of 3 inches. I'll place my ruler and connect to this point. The next step is to go ahead to find your chest line, and to find your chest line or armhole line is your bust circumference divided by 6 plus 1.5 inches. So I'll take the measurement I have there and also mark it on the other side of my pattern, then go ahead to draw a straight line. Now, whatever you have on your shoulder, go ahead to place it and mark on the chest line of your pattern, which is your shoulder divided by 2. After that, place your ruler and draw a straight line, connecting from the shoulder to the chest line. Now, place your tape, fold it into 2 equal parts or find the midpoint and come out by ½ inch. Here, place your tape at the chest line and mark your bust circumference divided by 4. After marking that, connect from that ½ inch to the upper part and from the ½ inch to your bust circumference divided by 4. That is where you have your round bust measurement. So what I'll do is to mark a basic neckline of 3.5 inches and I'll connect it from the shoulder to the depth of the neckline, right? So after marking this, I'll mark my dart. Now to mark your dart, you're going to mark your nipple to nipple divided by 2. And my nipple to nipple is 7 inches divided by 2. I have 3.5. I'll mark it at the bust, under bust, waist, and blouse length. So go ahead to take your own measurements and you're going to divide it by 2. Then go ahead to place a ruler and you're going to connect this all the way to the blouse length. Now the next step is to go ahead to divide what you have at the shoulder into 2 equal parts. That is the remaining part. And I'll place my ruler from the bust, connecting it all the way to the upper part. After I'm done connecting at that point, the next step is to mark my dart intake. For my dart intake, I'm using 1 inch at both sides. So now if you're plus size, what you're going to use is 1.5 inches on both sides, or if you're a bit busty, you'll be using 1.5 inches on both sides. After this, I'll go ahead to connect and also connect at the other side of my pattern. Now this is what I have.